Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to move photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, like the video and also share the video. Comment below if you like this video. All you have to do is go to your settings, search here setting, and I am here with my setting of mobile phone. Here what you have to go search on the top bar storage, because all the setting will be in a iCloud storage, because we are converting iCloud storage to iPhone storage. So iPhone storage, first of all you have to check your iPhone storage. If you have storage, then you can convert iCloud storage to iPhone storage. You can see on the screen there's a lot of storage in my mobile phone. So if you don't have storage, then you can't, so it must be, you will have to know that there will be storage in your iPhone, so you can easily convert iCloud data to your iPhone. So this is the first step you must know. Then go back here, you have to go to iCloud storage. After going to iCloud storage, here is an option of backup. You have to press on backup. Now you can see on a screen I am going to iCloud storage. Here a lot of options appear. You can see the storage is full, so that's why I want to move this storage to the iPhone storage. So now you have to check the apps. Like if you are going to convert photos, so you have to check the iCloud photos if the backup is on. So on my iPhone the backup is on, so optimize iPhone storage. So this is the procedure how you can easily have to turn it on, and all your iPhone storage will be moved to the iCloud storage move will to iPhone. So this is the procedure how you can easily convert iCloud storage, photos, image, anything to iPhone. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the more updates. So you must have now that there will be storage in your iPhone to convert iCloud storage to iPhone storage. If you don't have storage in your iPhone, then you can't convert your iCloud data. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.